Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Earth Science Ed. First, I want to apologize, though, for not making a video in the last couple of days. I've been really busy at work this past week, especially with Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year coming up. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today's video question is, what is the geologic timescale? So the geologic time scale is basically of chronological order that relates geologic strata to time, right? So basically all this is saying is that we have rocks and rocks only to determine how old the Earth is and when certain events occurred, such as the extinction of the dinosaurs, say, right? So the geologic time scale is divided into 4 segments, right? Starting largest first, you have eons, followed by eras, followed by periods, and epochs, right? So first, I'll start with our eons, right? Our eons, we're going to have the Hadean eon, the Archean eon, the Proterozoic eon, and the Phanerozoic eon, okay? The Hadean eon, we're not going to talk too much about because that's a time in Earth's history where we really don't know what happened. It was a lot of meteors were striking the Earth. It was just the beginning stages of Earth, so we really don't know what happened. But I could tell you that these eons are approximately billions of years. They last billions of years, right? There's no set time saying that an eon lasts a billion years exactly, but it lasts about a couple billion years, right? So next, it subdivides into eras, right? Eras are very important, right? So the Phanerozoic eon is going to subdivide into the Cenozoic, the Mesozoic, and the Paleozoic eras, right? So on and so forth with the Proterozoic and Archean eons. They're going to subdivide into all of these eras. And eras are typically going to be hundreds of millions of years, right? So I'm going to really focus on the Cenozoic, Mesozoic, and Paleozoic eras in terms of the periods and epochs coming up because they're the most recent. So let's hop into the periods. So now the periods, we're going to have the Quaternary, Neogene, Paleogene for the Cenozoic, the Cretaceous, Jurassic, Triassic for the Mesozoic, Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian for the Paleozoic. And remember, these are all in the Phanerozoic eon, right? So these are very important as well. Periods are very important. As I was saying, the dinosaurs went extinct in the Cretaceous period, right? So the extinction of the dinosaurs marked the end of the Cretaceous period. So again, we use the geologic timescale to talk about when events occurred in terms of millions, hundreds of millions, or billions of years, right? Periods are going to last typically tens of millions of years. Last but not least, we have the epochs. And the epochs aren't talked about too much, but they are helpful. We have the Holocene, Pleistocene for the Quaternary, Pliocene, Miocene for the Neogene, and I believe it's pronounced the Oligocene, Eocene, and Paleocene for the Paleogene period, right? All of part of the Cenozoic era, all a part of the Phanerozoic eon, right? So now you could fully see how it subdivides out. It's pretty cool, right? So these epochs are generally going to last millions of years. We're currently in the Holocene epoch, and that really pretty much wraps it up for this video. I thought it was a pretty cool video to do. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I also wanted to put in at the end a picture of a 24-hour clock, and it's cool because you can break it down so that if you do Earth's entire history, about 4.5 billion years, in 24 hours, modern humans do not come into existence until like 23 hours, 59 minutes, and like 56 seconds or something crazy like that, the last 4 seconds of the day, if you were to put all of Earth's history into one 24-hour day. So it's pretty crazy. Please look it up. I think it's a really cool fact to look at. Other than that, like I said, please like and subscribe, and have a good one, guys. Thanks. Peace.